kind of fish? Sharks?
Yellow ones. I'm all about the technical terms. Yellow ones, black ones, orange ones, four-legged ones, no-legged ones.
See any crabs?
No.
No.
No. Hello. Is my famous yet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fine.
It's five.
Nice. What?
Oh,
Snap.
For the next 5 weeks, fountains of lava gushed from the vent in 17 separate episodes. Molten rock flooded the crater, creating a lake of lava that rose halfway up the crater walls, burying the initial fissure. This cinder and spatter cone, Pu'upua'i, or Gushing Hill in Hawaiian, did not exist prior to 1959. The reddish-brown cavity at the base of this cone was the main vent from which lava erupted. So imagine lava shooting 5 times higher than Pu'upua'i is tall, so 5 times higher than that. That's where we were last night. Mauna Loa, the island's most massive volcano, is visible from here on clear days. So it's part of it rising up that way. And check out the gift shops and the lodge and all that. Cool. Let's have them down.
Much appreciated, gang.
Oh, are you on Zoom tonight?
I thought you were like, okay, I'm just getting
Yeah,
in.
yeah. I'm gonna go jump in the puddle.
Just go all the way down. There's a beautiful stream.
Beautiful stream.
And you can take a dip if you want on a beautiful little beach.
Oh, on a man stream there?
Go all the way down. Just go past the guy who's sitting in the chair with the snake trail system.
Okay.
It just goes all the way down, and then if you reach the stream and you cross it, there's a beautiful little picnic area and all that. But the beach is really nice right there. You see it.
How long does it take then?
What? Not even 5 minutes.
Ah.
Film that, please.
You're gonna be a pariah.
Stop it!
Good?
That's good. Right.
Let's keep walking and cool down, maybe. I beat Magnus.
No.
Ding ding.
Yeah.
And today, noni juice is sold all over the world. Health food stores are full of noni juice. Noni juice don't taste good. Noni juice is nasty. If you guys buy noni juice, make sure it tastes as bad as you smell them today, so you buy in the right product. Anything added with sugar, or sugar added to anything, put a smile on everybody's face. But it loses all the benefits of what it is. So it's a popular item. We've only been with each other probably about 30 minutes. Hopefully this will break the trust barrier of what I speak of. Try smell. I hold them, it's pretty bad. Bad. Cheese. They say they're wild. Some like to bite. You know your horses. They do bite good, you know. Oh, they are. Yeah, hopefully we get to see some of them. Some more horses. There's about 40 of them throughout the valley. As for the right side here, guys, you guys can see some of the big game hunting of Vaipio as you see the trophies of the pig jaws below the rooftop of that open garage. That is the big game hunting of Vaipio. There's thousands of pigs throughout this land. Wild boars. Yeah. Papayas, sweet potatoes, star fruit, rabutan. If any native in the valley say they're starving, they're lazy. Yeah, my co-pilot. Just smell him. Yeah, these guys super wild. This is my brother-in-law's land. He get horses today. They are wild. You go through his fence. You can see that the back's super flat. They don't want to sway back from the saddles that's put on them, you know. Their hooves have no horseshoes. Super wild. Here you go, mama. Look at that one. Oh, shot, drip shot. She the mama of this herd, and this is the alpha male right here of this herd. She wear the pants, I tell you. Made hula rain jackets out of this leaf, hula skirts, even stripping the stem as cordage, intertwining the leaves as leis, a lot of different things. I'll show you guys how I wrap up on Hawaiian dish called lau lau, using the tea leaf to wrap it up. Just gotta use imagination a little bit on this one, okay? Just imagine I get 5 taro leaves, imagine the rock is some chicken, fish, and sweet potatoes, and it's salted for flavor. Taro leaf can wrap all these items up, and this is my Hawaiian dish I call lau lau. So I'm gonna steam it to cook it. But I'm gonna use this tea leaf to wrap it up first, so when I steam it, none of the pork and fish can fall out of the taro leaf. So it looks something like this. So the rain comes. Boom. There's many ways of wrapping this lau lau. I just showing you guys how strong the leaf can be by tying them in a knot. So you see the pouch I made? Now I steam it. But once done and you guys get the lau lau served to you like this, remember to take off the tea leaf. It's not edible. But strong, you know, the leaf like staying on knot, and there's a rock in the center, yeah? Hawaiian's weapon, yeah? The thing. Sleep. Slap cracks. You can see the leaf still strong. I will use them on my next door. gel. This gel right here I use to wash my hair, my body. It's a natural scent. Clean the body good. You guys pass them around, you guys can smell the nice ginger scent through the avapuri. There's these white flowers on them, and you can see some green balls on the branches there. So this is the Hawaiian candlelight tree they call kukui nut. See the green ball? In that green ball is the nuts. These nuts right here. And they're called kukui nut. Today they're used to make these black shiny nut necklaces as a way of greeting people to the island. Kukui nut leis. They also compress the meat to get the oils for massages. But Hawaiians did use this meat for candlelight. It was so saturated with oils. By prepping it in the hot sun, drying it, they had it so right that the texture of the nut so soft they could poke a stick through it. Stacking 10 nuts on a stick, like the top nut, it burns from one nut to another like a candlelight. But when you eat the whole nuts raw, 2 of them, you'll spend one whole day on the toilet, acting like one king on the white throne in the white room by yourself. Hawaiians laxative.
He united all of the Hawaiian islands into the Kingdom of Hawaii. So there was a period from the late 1700s up to the late 1800s, so about 100 years, that there was this monarchy of Hawaii, the Kingdom of Hawaii. So he's a very, very, very celebrated figure in Hawaiian history. He's kind of looked at the unifier of all of Hawaiian peoples and all of the Hawaiian islands. Before him, it was kind of like feudal Europe. There would be chiefs that controlled either an island or large sections of islands, and they would always be kind of fighting with each other. He was born on the Big Island, and this is where he kind of took over first, and then he moved on